All right, so we're about to start caulking in this window, and some of the sealant that we prefer to use, this stuff is called quad, and it's tougher than the elements. It doesn't matter how well you build these things if you don't seal them in really well. So you want to make sure to use a really high quality. There's a couple of different products that you don't have to use this exact product, but polyurethane sealants are going to be a much better seal. So, but anytime you're using this, you'll have to read. There's special cleanup for every single type of caulking. So I believe for this one it was mineral spirits or something, but I do this a lot, so I'm just going to keep a dry rag with me and be very careful while I do it. But essentially what we want to do is start, I'll get that rag out of the way. We want to start at the top. This is brand new tube. And just go nice and slow down the whole thing, trying to run as most of a consistent bead as possible. So I hopefully barely even need to wipe it at all. Sorry if this is the most boring video on the planet, but this is actually really critical. As you can see, if you do this and you cut it at like just not quite a 45-degree angle, but you cut it just off a little bit, it will virtually wipe it if you run it at the right angle. Nice and clean down the whole thing. My hand is starting to hurt from this long run.